Struggling with English listening? Not anymore. This session will help you catch every word and feel more confident in English. Let's dive into some listening comprehension practice. On the first day of school, Emma and Jake are walking to class. Let's listen to their conversation.
Can you believe it's already the first day of the new semester? Summer went by so fast.
Yeah, it feels like just yesterday we were all stressing over finals. Did you do anything exciting over the break?
I visited my cousins in the mountains. It was so peaceful there. What about you?
I mostly worked at the cafe near my house. But hey, I got free coffee, so I'm not complaining.
Free coffee? That's definitely a win. By the way, do you know who's teaching English writing this year?
I heard it's Mr. Carter. Everyone says he's really good but tough.
Tough? Well, I guess we'll have to step up our game this semester.
Agreed. Let's survive this together.
Deal. Let's go find our class before we're late.
Now let's check your understanding. Answer the questions.
Hi, everyone. I'm Ken. Let's start with question 1. What does Emma say about the summer break? A. Summer felt longer than usual. B. Summer went by so fast. C. I wish summer lasted forever. Pause the video for a moment to answer the question. The answer is B. Summer went by so fast. Emma felt that the break was shorter than expected. 2. What did Emma do on her summer vacation? A. She visited her cousins in the mountains. B. She went to the beach with her family. C. She worked at a cafe near her house. Pause the video for a moment to answer the question. Of course, the answer is A. She visited her cousins in the mountains. 3. What did Jake do for his summer break? A. He went hiking in the mountains. B. He worked at a cafe near his house. C. He traveled to visit his cousins. Pause the video for a moment to answer the question. Right. The answer is B. He worked at a cafe near his house.
4. What did Jake enjoy while working at the cafe? A. A higher salary. B. Flexible working hours. C. Free coffee. Pause the video for a moment to answer the question. Certainly. The answer is C. He enjoyed free coffee. Next question. 5. Who does Jake say is teaching English writing this semester? A. Mr. Carter. B. Ms. Johnson. C. Dr. Brown. Pause the video for a moment to answer the question. This is easy, right? The answer is A. Mr. Carter. Let's see another question. 6. What does Emma mean by step up our game? A. To start playing games in class. B. To improve their efforts or performance. C. To take a break from studying. Pause the video for a moment to answer the question. Of course, they have to work harder. The answer is B. To improve their effort or performance. Last question. What do Emma and Jake agree to do at the end of the conversation? A. Find their class together before they're late. B. Study for the finals together. C. Meet for coffee after class. Pause the video for a moment to answer the question. Definitely. The answer is A. Find their class together before they're late.
In summary, listening helps students understand spoken English, exposes them to natural pronunciation, and helps them learn vocabulary and grammar in context. And remember, practice makes perfect. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with your friends and students, and subscribe to English Teacher Resource Hub by Crew Ben Facebook page for more tips and tutorials. And have a wonderful day.